Hey guys, so I got a new humidifier from Everlasting Comfort. Thank you so much for sending us over. We had bought a few of them and one of them gave out and we need it because of our square footage of the home. This one is perfect. The other one that we bought is not so appealing. This one is chic, beautiful, sleek, and not only that, you could put oils in this one. The one that I previously had shall remain nameless. I did add oil. It said it was optional and it destroyed it. This one has a compartment where you could put the oil, and I put peppermint in it so that way it will smell really nice. And also it's a 6 liter, which it's a gallon, 0.6. And then also it's an auto shut off if you want it, filterless. It's amazing, you guys. And it also has a LED light, which helps as well with any bacteria or stuff that's in the water. So that way it'll help to clear that up. Also, it has a knob in the front, which of course, to turn it on, you just turn it clockwise and it will automatically come on. It has also adjustable little valves on top. They swivel, so you could put it towards whichever direction you like, and if you want it going towards both sides, then it'll go towards both sides. That's one thing I really like about it, because the other one, it had like a big nozzle that I had and it was not appealing. This one is beautiful. The top is, I love the decor, how they did that, excuse me, and it's just, I love it. And you could also adjust the amount, the quantity of how much it releases in mist. So right now it's like at a low setting. So then if I turn it up to the max, it immediately gives a lot of mist. And really cool functions about this, like it's very quiet. Gives a nice cool mist, soothes dry skin, also reduces airborne viruses or bacteria in the air, which is really nice, and that's what we need right now during this pandemic. It's amazing. Also, if you want to use my code as well, they gave me a code so that way you guys could get 20% off. It's Oscar OCMCH, and if you put that in their link in their website, you'll get a 20% off. I hope you enjoy this as much as I do. I am so excited we actually got a new one. And till then, all right, talk to you guys then.